Hello, everyone. I'm Teresa Hansen, Vice President of Global Content for Clarion Energy. Welcome to this week's edition of Clarion Energy News. Here are the stories. Story number 3. The 300 megawatt Mount Gilboa pump storage project in Israel has begun commercial operation. The $500 million project is located just 40 miles east of Haifa. It took 5 years to construct the facility, which is expected to generate 3,000 megawatt hours of electricity annually. According to the developer Electra, the project will be operated by Alstom, now GE Renewable Energy, for the next 18 years. The Mount Gilboa project is composed of 2 reservoirs, each 2.5 million cubic meters, connected by a 500-meter deep shaft and large pipes. The underground powerhouse contains 2 150-megawatt Alstom turbines, along with generators and step-up transformers. You can read more about this project at hydro-review.com. And now I'll turn it over to Jen Runyon for the remainder of the news. Stay safe and healthy, everyone.
Thanks, Teresa. Story number 2. A huge renewable energy project in Australia is one step closer to starting construction after receiving approval by the Environmental Protection Authority earlier this month. The Asian Renewable Energy Hub, which touts itself as renewable energy at oil and gas scale, will be a 15 gigawatt solar and wind project in Pilbara. Vestas, along with partners Intercontinental Energy and CWP, officially launched the project in 2017 as a 6 gigawatt project that would supply Indonesia with renewable energy via subsea cables. In the subsequent years, the project grew, and now it's up to 15 gigawatts of renewable power capacity, more than half of which will supply energy to the Pilbara mines, mineral processing, and large-scale production of green hydrogen. Learn more about that massive project at renewableenergyworld.com. Story number 1. So we've been following the recent announcement by US President Trump, which put the entire supply chain to the US bulk power system on alert after he declared a national emergency related to the cybersecurity of the system via an executive order on May 1st. The result of the order will be a whitelist and a blacklist of vendors and equipment that will be allowed to be installed on the US grid. The government has until September 28th to come up with said list, and we spoke with a cybersecurity lawyer last week who said utilities and vendors should prepare now by reviewing their contracts to see exactly who bears the costs related to a change of law like this. He urged vendors to quickly determine where they're sourcing all of their components from for their equipment. And he told everyone in the supply chain to keep a close eye on how this unfolds. I want to leave you with his quote. He said, "The regulations are conceivably very broad, and that means a great deal of risk, which has to be considered at all stages of the procurement process in order for people to protect themselves." You can check out that whole story at power-grid.com. And I want to remind everyone that we're hosting a webcast on managing your workforce during a pandemic this Wednesday. Visit power-eng.com to learn more about it. And we're also accepting abstracts for Distributech International. You can go to distributech.com to learn how to do that. I'm Jennifer Runyon. Thank you for watching.